Hello, a quick little video on how to get the best from Fix My Pics. If you'd like to get some treasured pictures restored or colorized, Fix My Pics is a very good website to go to on Facebook. But this is the sort of stuff we tend to get given, and these are the mistakes people make. If you look at these pictures, they've all been done in a typical way, and you can see now this has been speeded up very, very fast. This is 4 times speed. What's required to actually get one of these pictures to look something? First thing you have to do is get it to be the right shape. Then you have to get it to be the right size. Then you have to try and get the shape a little bit more accurate. And now we can try and improve the picture. That's taken about 3 minutes so far. This is speeded up 4 times. And that's the result. This is more typical of a lot of the stuff we get. And it may be a precious photo, but if you can not produce it with a big flash in it, it makes life a lot easier. I personally wouldn't bother with this particular photo because it is just too hard to try and do it. Look at the flare at the sides and the middle. But there we go, this is typical of what we get. And there's another. So you can see that's the sort of results we can get. However, if you did it with a scanner or with a proper jig, you could get these results. As you can see, this is the same photograph, but it's been taken on a cheap scanner on the top of a printer, and that's at 90 dpi, which doesn't sound much. It's what actually you see on your screen. When people say, can you do a high resolution scan, this is what they mean. This is a low resolution scan, and this is a high resolution scan. You can't see much difference on the screen, but just watch what happens now. What I'm doing is I'm zooming in on the 2 pictures in the same place. This is the low resolution scan, this is the high resolution scan. Low, high. You see the difference now? When people say, can you sharpen this picture for me, and they give us a screenshot or a low resolution scan, this is the problems we have. That's the low resolution, that's the high resolution. How can you sharpen up something that's not there? You can see how far this can go right in before we have breakup. But on the low resolution, you've got the problem that it's just a load of boxes and you can't do anything with them. You'll also notice that although this is a low resolution scan, it's so much better than the bad photographs that have been taken of the same picture. Yes, we can do something with it, but wouldn't it be nicer if people just took a little bit more care and got the pictures as good as they can, and then we can make a really good job at the end of it. Some of our contributors who do the work on these photos, they can take several hours to try and get a reasonable result. If you give us something good to start with, a good picture of a bad photograph, we can actually do so much more, so much quicker, with such better results. It's really down to a case of the better you start, the better you end up. You can see the difference here between the scan and a photograph.